Yabona umqondo uyayazi English. Inkinga isolimini.
Let us look at the evidence.
If the Mr. Zondo can die today, it means the constitution.
Akusona istilulu. Yazi nisenisho ngeconfidence. Nawaka ama consequence.
The group of 22 people were doing the video music.
No! We are not going to eat that thing that we are building. Yeah? We are not eating building. Which one is that one?
I would like to give you my heartfelt condolences for your achievement. We will focus on building our agriculture to prevent famine.
You're
full of bastard.
How?
I'm going to show you your bastard shoes.
Who gave you the instruction that you must block the vuvuzelas at the gate?
Yo.
Today I'm going to talk about how I end up here.
We are yondla ingane yakhe without being forced by the prostitution.
Oh man, 22 June. Yes.
Can we get the ilo stop order, please? Aphume me.
Hi, Babu.
Restraining order.
You can't force the fish to swim. The water swim the fish.
Honorable member, what are you talking about?
You can't force the water swim the fish. You can't.
Others, they are sick, others, they have a low stroke.
Where do you live?
I live yesterday.
How?
This one is crying, but this one is not crying.
Take your crayon and cry. Take your crayon and cry. Cry.
Hey. When you were.
If you come to me, you are going to me. Neapukanch. How? Yes, apelanin.
Let's socialize. Less unique, guys. Less unique.
If Zimbabwe did it, why can't Malawi did it? Why can't Zambia did it? In the end, everybody will did it.
Leave that shit!
They grew up as a huge kind of size of big one.
How many? 28 days in a month.
Listen properly.
No ways, guys. Explain this thing to me.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache me.
I'm 22 years of old.
Jabla, she's a good player. He is. She. You can't put your dictionary to my dictionary.
What is all this?
My dictionary is just like a physiology of dictionary.
He's not making it better. He's making it more complicated.
No one here is safe.